Hi Pisces, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your monthly reading for the month of October 2020, okay? And we'll see what are the guidance messages for you in the coming month. So for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. And this is a general reading, it may or may not resonate with all of you. Okay, so let's see what is there for my Pisceans in the coming month of October, please. Okay, so I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies over here. It will be a little different from my other videos because this time it's going to be in a little detail. Okay, let's see. For my Pisceans, for my Pisces for the month of October, please. Okay. Okay, so we have got the Three of Wands with the Ten of Swords, Nine of Swords with the King of Cups, and Nine of Wands with the Nine of Cups. Okay, so I'm seeing that in your past energies, it's what's actually there is there was some breakup which actually happened in the past. um, it's like it might be a long distance relationship over here which you broke up, or someone else, because there was some kind of a betrayal happening over here. Okay, somebody actually did a breakup or something ended. Okay, and that ending actually was really not good for someone who was really emotional. um, it was a feeling because a lot of emotions were involved, so that is why somebody was not able to feel uh, not able to sleep during night because the emotions were involved, and the love was also involved over here. So this might be you, might be other person in this thing, but it was an ending. Okay, and after that something, so what is happening is that when you are really, you have ended something, but someone is actually not ready to end this. Someone is wishing for the relationship again. Somebody is not ready to end those particular thing because somebody is actually looking at the past. Okay, with this Nine of Wands, I'm seeing somebody is looking at the past. Somebody is actually wanting this person back, or that tiredness, this person is tired actually, but that person actually does not wants to end this thing, still standing straight, still standing that for that person to come back. And this is a wish which is actually of someone over here, might be you over here or the other person with whom you are dealing with. Let's see your present energies right now. Okay, so a lot of cups energies. Queen of Cups is here. Queen of Cups with the Wheel of Fortune. Nine of Pentacles with the Page of Rods. And Knight of Cups with the Ten of Wands. Okay, so I'm seeing that at present what is happening, the wheel is actually turning. So it's like the emotions, whatever were happening, so now the emotions are actually, somebody is feeling really emotional, and actually um, the expressions are also, that person is able to express as well the emotions, whatever this thing is. I'm also seeing that there is a karmic wheel over here which is actually from the past situations. That is why you both, or anything, whosoever, whatever you are actually experiencing right now, whatever is happening with you is because of something related to the past. Okay, so same thing happened with you as well. The emotions were off for some time. That is why it is happening. It is a wheel of karma. So that is what it is happening. So the, what you do to someone else, the same happens with you as well. So that is what is happening over here. And with the Nine of Pentacles and the Page of Rods, I'm seeing that somebody is actually starting, this, I don't know whosoever this person is, but one person's energies are really low, but the other person is really feeling high, and it's like a new journey towards something, a new independent feeling. Might be you over here who might be single, or the other person, but this is the energy of a fresh something. Okay, if you really want to be alone, you want to start a new life of your own, so that is the energies over here of the other person who was not involved in the relationship in a much serious way. And that is why, one person is feeling in love, the other person is feeling like disheartened with the Knight of Cups and the Ten of Wands. One person is feeling in love, one person is feeling that, okay, so let's start afresh, let's start, that energy where you really want to propose someone, you are really in love with someone, but yes, there is someone who is still feeling bad over here. Okay, so a lot of heaviness I'm seeing, a lot of heaviness is there in this particular thing. Okay, what are the future energies over here? Okay, so we have got the Three of Swords with the Six of Swords, Five of Swords with the Three of Pentacles, and Four of Cups with the King of Pentacles. Okay, so in the recent future, in the coming month of October, it's some kind of a breakup. It is the same thing I'm really getting. Okay, so it's like, moving on from a breakup situation over here, when the heart was, when that energies were your heart was broken, and then moving on from those energies. That is in the starting of October. I'm seeing that this is somebody is trying to move on towards the calmer waters over here from that bad breakup. Okay, because a lot of betrayal had happened in this thing, and as well as, that person actually wants to work on himself or herself, whosoever this person is, because of the bad things which happened. So it's much better to be busy, it's much better to be at work. Okay, trying to be busy and taking your mind away from the situation. That is what I'm seeing in the middle of October. Okay, and at the end of the October, there is something, somebody is trying to give you, or there is a feeling of an offer coming towards someone. Might be just an advice over here from somebody who is very much a very big entrepreneur, or somebody from your family who is very mature. Somebody is trying to give an advice to you, or to someone around you, and it is like the rejection of that offer I'm seeing. Okay, so it is at the end of the October, these kind of energy. So if somebody who is very mature, might be a Taurus with whom you might deal, so if any advice or any help is actually needed, so always try to take advice from people who are really mature and who are experienced. Okay, so let's see what is the advice from the tarot for my Pisces. Okay, Justice, Page of Swords, and the Knight of Swords. So the universe is trying to tell you that the things might move forward in a way which is really fast. Okay, things might not wait for you. Whatever is happening with you, they are really sudden and they are really fast. Okay, they might be really fast. A lot of information might be getting a lot of, if you are in office, so try, the advice is try to take care of your information, your personal data over here. And uh, that is why, that is the only, that will be the best way, so that you can maintain peace, you can maintain that balance in your life. Because things are going really fast in your life, but sometimes you need to take a pause, so that the things also, they will settle down itself. So that is the actual advice from the universe, from the tarot guides, is there for you. Okay, Pisces. So I really hope it helps, and that is all from my side. So we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.